Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change caption on TikTok after posting. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok and then you need to open a video. So here you can see that there is a no caption. You simply need to click on three dots and save the video. So now you can see that the video is saved. Then you need to go back and click on the plus icon and click on uploads and select a video. Click on next, and here you can add caption. So you can add caption into the video. So here you can see that, click on done and click on next, and here you have more options. You can see that allow auto generated captions, then you need to click on post. So this is a process by which you can change captions on video after posting on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.